he showcases skill, creativity, and showmanship behind the bar. So, take it away.
Check. Check. So, for the exciting part. So, hello everyone. My name is Giselle Narvaez, a bartender from Limkit Kalang Hotel. Today, I share to you something I'm really passionate about. How to become a competitive bartender. In the next 20 minutes, right? 20 minutes, we share not only the skills behind the bar, but also the mindset, the creativity, or any, what's called that, a discipline that separates a good bartender and a champion bartender. Whether you're aiming to win a competition, or impress your guests, or pushing yourself to the next level. In my own perspective, there are 5 principles that help me to become a champion bartender. First one is, know the game never ends. Life, competition, or struggle that makes you keep going on no matter how much progress you make. We're only real is, if you think about it, if you lose, then restart immediately, right? Then second one is, always give 110%. Push beyond what is expected. Put an extra effort. Focus. Then hard compared to the bare minimum. I promise you that tomorrow will give you an interest. So the third one is, compare yourself only to yourself. So the scoreboard is your pass up. And the fourth one is, never make excuses. Excuses never win game. Blaming never win a competition. But working makes you win a competition. And the last principle that I have is,
Bisik ka, Giselle.
learn to accept defeat. Mura ginabay. Either you win or you learn. That's what truly matters. Right? So, I have 2 captains to present to you. One is the Tigulayan list. I represent this at the Master Championship 2025 at Phuket, Thailand. So, isa pa yung mga bartender dito rin. Ako'y pangutana. Ako'y mga pangutana ba yung gusto mong utana sa tuwa? Sir. Pwede na sir. Sa TV ko, sir? Gab. Okay. Pero nasa yung mga traditional dito sa mga bartender may tamusan sa una. Dito.
Yay! Shot!
Where are you from, sir? Salay. You're a student, sir?
Student, second year. Ako is Spanish.
So, how you make your cocktail, sir? Saan mo pag-imo sa mga cocktail? Na kayo mga ideas, sir?
Wala pa kayo experience pero natrabaho ko sa sideline lang sa mobile bar.
Wow.
Puro salon. Nasa ko yun, naibawan ng mga cocktail.
Gamay na.
Gamay na.
So, when creating a cocktail na good is, na siya ay essential yun is R&D. R&D means research and development. So, research and development is a typical, systematic process to create a new cocktail or a product. So, research and development. So, innovation, experimenting, like that. So, ka.
Mura
So
to
with
sa Sel.
competition, always chill your glass. So always chill your glass. To maintain the temperature. Oh, minus point na combination na. Ay, kaya ganyan yung combination. So always change your glass. Para ang temperature mo sa glass is mag-maintain pagyabang siya. So dili naman siya mag-i-ice eh. This is champagne float. Pinakita siya na yung i-ice. Kahit ano man, peace man yun siya. Yeah. So my ingredients for my Higalae fish, I use Bombay. Distillery, our base is our factor. Idalan ako na yung cocktail dito sa Phuket, Thailand. So, bata ka daw. Oo na lang sa. So, I made nangka, homemade jackfruit. A fruit is more than just a flavor. These were the twist come with the sweetness and spice used together. So, i-wait kaya ko rin siya yung sweetness o kaya spice kung complement each other. So, ang i-ifali, hindi mo na po o yung sa karoon. This one. Method niya siya is nangka o sugar. Then, i-dilute din siya sa ililing tubig. So, ang unang sa karoon is a sugar oil mixture produced by containing citrus or other oil-rich fruits creating the intakes of sugar. So, hindi mo siya rin sa mga singa, mga fruit like orange, lemon. Pwede din siya, tapi hindi na mag-squeeze. Masyada siya actually, kung mag-boil ka, tagal siya o sour. So, ang sour din mo, citric acid, and also the seeds of the fruit. Instead na mag-squeeze ng lemon, pwede siya rin mo. Okay? Then, I use Malibu. And lastly, the raspberry. So, panagsara kayo na yung mga sa bartender, ang method is throwing. Sa garas bartender is shaking, right? But throwing is more, hindi siya makatulog ng water. So, ang aroma sa nangka is magawas niya while throwing. Mura ba't lamaw ito? Ang lamaw sa baboy ito. Hindi mo nang i-yapo, ang baho niya, i-isnaw. Sorry, isang kakula.
Grabe ka example. Lamo, John Sel.
The throwing method. Orang Indiano gitu. So, ang spill code is important mo na sa competition. Kung mas spill ka na, minus 10 ang punta. Unang gamit ka crucial dito kayo ang competition. So, draw your eyes. this captain is, I made this to capture the home and its people. So, hilaay is tanan, higala. So, ang katong sa concept dito sa mechanics sa Thailand is local meets global. So, I bring the local and bring the hilaay to the global. And lastly, the Del Monte pineapple, homemade Del Monte pineapple carbonated. Baka naman. So, this one is the Higalay piece.
Yes!
So, nakanta ko example to how to compete. Kung ano yung pag-deliver sa story, aside from that, mag-imo ka og drinks. So, i-present ako ako ang Ligayas Captain that won in Combira 2024. So, I have a music here. No other love in this world like the love of a father has to his little girl. Mabuhay everyone. My name is Giselle Narvaez, a bartender and also a father. Now, take a look at this kid, the daughter of mine.
Ligaya!
That is Ligaya, my daughter. Bright, energetic, playful, sometimes
Shy mo lagi.
hard-headed. I have this feeling that I can't explain. So I came up with the idea that brings all together as one. Okay na naman. That's pinakaunang sulit. Sige,